Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today we have another Wantable unboxing. I know it's been a lot of Wantables lately, but I have credit, okay? I mean, it is what it is. So we have our wine. If you guys don't have some wine, I recommend getting some wine because it's been a year. Let me drink some. Yes, I have decided that I am now a boxed wine person, and that is the only type of wine I will be buying from now on. So if anyone has any recommendations for like some really good boxed wine, actually it doesn't even have to be really good. This is Barefoot Moscato. It's good, but you know, it's that good $5 wine. So if anyone has any recommendations, I am now a boxed wine person. And we'll put her right up there next to the Sparkling Icicles candle from Bath & Body Works. Check it out. It smells almost like a cologne to me, but I like it. I like the way it smells. Anyway, here is our bundle. Look at that. There's some flannel, there's some like sweaters, there's some waffle mitt, all kinds of stuff. I did see 3 things that they sent because my friend Mari, hi Mari, was looking at it at work with me, and yeah, it was an accident. But we're just gonna get right into it. If you want to know more about Wantable, there's a description down below. Crinkle, crinkle. This sweater is from Kohl's. It's a really nice sweater, but like it sheds. I don't know, it's like, it sheds. I haven't worn it just with jeans yet, but I wore them with like work pants to work, and like my black work pants were covered in this material, so I don't know. But it's cute. All right, so there's just a little grateful card. They're just thankful that, you know, you use Wantable. I'll throw it over there. We have our invoice and our mailer to send back stuff that we do not want to keep. So yeah, which, you know, Wantable, I haven't had like tons of good luck with. I've kept 1 or 2 things from each box usually, but never like kept 5 things, never kept all 7 things. So let's see. Oh, and this is the Home for the Holidays edit. They have sometimes like special theme edits. So that's what this one is. Let's see. Hi Rachel, yay, so happy you decided to treat yourself. Treat yourself. This has been a crazy year, but all the more reason to take a moment to spoil yourself. I styled your Home for the Holidays edit with cozy pieces that you can dress up or down. From festivities with the fam to webcam celebrations. I think this is kind of like a pretty generic, not like generic, but like kind of like auto-filled message, because I watched What Jill Wears' video, and she got this one too, and I think they said the same thing about like the webcam and stuff like that. I wanted you to look and feel beautiful. So grateful to you for choosing us and me to style you today. Please enjoy this edit and enjoy your holidays to the fullest. P.S. Give our Wantable Be the Joy playlist a listen on Spotify. So that's kind of cool. More details are on the grateful card in this edit that I tossed over there. So I guess they have a Spotify playlist. And that was styled by Suanne. So we're gonna put that up there so we can go over the pricing later. The first thing I see is a paperclip necklace. Is what it looks like. I'll show you. Doesn't it just look like paper clips? Basically. I think this was on my stream and I might have like requested it, but I don't know. We'll check it out. I really need a desk in here. I need a lot of stuff. New house is coming along. We finally got carpet in our living room, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, I mean basically it just looks like a bunch of paper clips put together. It's probably not gonna go with this sweater. We'll just put it on right now. So, I don't know, it looked nicer. It looked nicer online, I think. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit so you can see. Hey, just kidding. So, that's what it looks like. It just hangs down. I do have some crew neck sweaters, but it might look cute like that with, but what's wrong with? Hello. Sorry. I didn't mean it. There's no one here. I was saying hello to myself. Okay, she stopped barking. I took the necklace off. So I'm not in love with that. But it was nice to try it, so let's get into it. First we have a little tank top. So it's like a surplice tank top. I did request this on the stream because I thought it would be cute under some cardigans. And I don't have a lot of tank tops that have a V-neck, so I thought that was kind of cute. And that is by West Key. Nice kind of stretchy material. I liked that. I'll put that there. And we have, it looks like purple. Okay, so it's like a purple dolman. It's W by Wantable. And then it has like this stretchy ruching at the bottom. So we'll try that. I like purple. I don't have tons of purple things, so that might be good. Then the sleeves have that kind of stretchy ruching too. It's like a boat neck almost, I think. So yeah, that's nice. It's really soft. And we have a flannel, which probably will not fit because, you know, boobs. But it's kind of cute. It's like pink and kind of like a brick red and like a dark gray. That's cute. Does it have a pocket on it? Has one pocket. So we'll try it. Maybe I could put that over the cami, tank top, whatever. All right. Next we have, are these work pants or are they leggings? They're leggings for sure. Just kidding. So these are by Lycée, New York, and extra large. And they look like they have some stretch. They're like really thick, like super thick. Super thick. So they're probably really expensive. I'm not like a super expensive legging person. I would rather just get my Lauren Conrad leggings at Kohl's and call it a day. But we will try them. And next we have, this does not feel soft, but it is a pretty, what do they call those? I don't remember what they call these type of sweaters where it goes like around the neckline, but that's really pretty. It's kind of really pretty for winter. I kind of really like that. Even though it's not super soft and it has kind of like a slight balloon necklace. A slight balloon sleeve. Why did I say balloon necklace? Nobody knows. It's probably the wine. Let's see what this is. 60% polyester, 25% acrylic, and 6% wool, 3% nylon, 3% spandex, 3% metallic. Would that little bit of wool make it feel not super soft? I don't know, but we'll try it on. I think that's the thing I'm most excited about so far. And then lastly, we have this waffle knit. Oh, it's a dress. That's cute. Little waffle knit, I can't talk. Cowl neck dress. That's cute. I like it. Okay. All right. Let's have another drink of our wine and we will try things on. Okay. I really like this one. It's so cute. What do you guys think? I love the light purple. Like, it's like holiday-y, but not like super overt. I know I used that word last time, I think. Let me move the camera up a little bit. Look how cute with the like metallic kind of silver through it. I love the fit of like the bottom. I love the sleeves. They have that slight balloon. And I don't think it's too itchy. I think I really like it. Oh, look at the back. Oh, that's so cute. It's probably super expensive, but that's Wantable for you. I haven't had a Stitch Fix box in a while. I have one that's shipped like 10 days ago and it's lost in transit somewhere. But this is super cute. I like how it's like kind of tighter through here and then balloons. I think I really like it. Okay, if all else fails, this one's a keeper depending on the price, but I like this one. Here's the other purple one, and I'm not as much a fan of this one. I just think I'm not a fan of the way it billows, maybe? I don't know. Maybe I mean, your shirt's gonna stay in place. That's the nice thing. Like this band down here is gonna hold your shirt down. So that's kind of nice. But I think maybe this is a little wide for me. Maybe it's supposed to be like a one shoulder kind of deal. Then your bra strap shows. Like, I'm not about that look. I don't know. I just don't think it looks good on me. So maybe it's supposed to be like that. But then it just looks messy to me. I don't know. I mean, I do know. That's how I feel. So I think this one's a no. I think I would just mess with it too much with like the top part. The bottom part's not so bad. Not so bad. Let's try on the next couple things. Okay, next we have the flannel. And it's actually pretty cute. I've never been a flannel girl. It's actually not like gaping too much there. So that's interesting. And then it is a little bit longer in the back, if you can see. So you can wear over leggings, I guess, if you wanted to. I don't know. What do you guys think? So I went to Catholic school from 1st to 8th grade. And we always had to wear collared shirts. So maybe that's why, like, I never wear collared shirts. I don't know. I'm like so nervous. I'm like messing with my hair. But I think that's pretty cute. Would I wear it? I wouldn't wear it to work. I'd only wear it on the weekend if I did wear it. Okay, but I do have the tank top on underneath it, and the tank top's not going to work because I think I would need to go up a size because the surplice where it crisscrosses, it just is too open right there. And I could stitch it, but I don't really want to stitch something that I'm buying. But otherwise, it's really cute. Here's the front and the back. I like the V-neck of it. It's cute with the flannel underneath it. So that is cute. It would be cute with a cardigan, but I think it's just not gonna work. I wish it was maybe just solid like that and didn't have this little surplice there. But yeah, here's these two. It's really soft too. I guess we'll see how much it is and we'll make our judgments then. So unfortunately the dress is gonna be a no. I wish it were more like flowy through the bottom, but as it goes, it like tapers in. So I like the waffle. I love the waffle neck. I like the color. I like the cowl neck. It just is not fitting how I would want it to fit. Like I would want it to flow like that, you know? And yes, I would wear leggings under it. And that would kind of like, you know, compress the tummy a little bit. But it's just not gonna work. Which is a shame because I like the waffle knit. You guys should request this once I read, you know, the names of things and the prices. If you are not afraid of it like tapering in and like kind of clinging a little bit. It's really soft. I love the waffle. I love the color. Oh, it's too bad. All right, I'm just watching a bug on my window over there. We have the leggings. I think just the leggings left. So, all right, let's try. Okay, I just put the flannel back on with the leggings. So, okay, we're gonna pan down. These leggings are too long. I have them really hiked up because they're too long. But they are comfy. They're that dark gray, you know, material. They're stretchy. By Lassay, New York. I'm not gonna buy them. I just can't. I can't buy leggings from a subscription box that are probably gonna cost a lot of money when I can get some at Kohl's for like 20 bucks or less. So they are nice, they feel comfy, you can move in them, but it's just not gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen. So all right, let's go over the prices. If you like this video so far, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below because then you can see when I post new videos because I don't know when I'm gonna post them. If you hit the bell too, that'll tell you when I post them. I don't know what it tells you. It tells you when there's a new video up. I've been drinking wine. Okay, so I think we have the clear winner, which is this top. I think is the only one I think I'm going to keep. But let's go over the prices. Look at that pretty purple, you guys. Like, who knew a light purple would be so wintry? I really like it. And let's drink our wine. Let's open the top first. Okay, so the prices are as follows. Not getting it though. Whitney top and feather. That's the plaid one, the flannel by Beach Lunch Lounge, $69. check out Poshmark. The brushed waffle collar neck dress in rust is W by Wantable, $72. $72 the dress. The Laura legging in charcoal was $98 by Laissez. They're leggings. They're leggings. No. The metallic eyelash jacquard sweater in charcoal, frosted iris, $78. But I'm gonna do it because I have credit from you lovely ladies signing up. Thank you so much for signing up. It really helps me continue to do these videos because if I didn't have credit, I don't know if I would keep getting these boxes so often. I know I would not. So thank you so much for signing up. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys find stuff that you like in your boxes. If you do, comment below and tell me like what you've kept from them. And then the solid knit cami in black by West Key is $42. The one shoulder, see? The one shoulder smocked top in raisin is W by Wantable, and that's $59. And then the Edie necklace in gold, the paper clips, was $38. So the whole total of the box would be $456. If I keep 5 or more, you get 20% off, and that would make it $364.80 for the whole box. And then I do have credit, so I'm not keeping the whole box, obviously. I'm just gonna keep this lovely, lovely sweater, and we'll probably wear it on Christmas Eve with my husband's family because it's so pretty. I really like it. So thank you guys so much for watching. This might be my last video of this year. I'm not sure. Today is December 20th. I'm gonna try to get this up this week. Yeah, you guys, I hope you have a really good Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or any other holiday that you might celebrate this time of year. I know I'm not trying to be political or anything, just everyone celebrates different things. So I hope you have a good holiday season with yourself, your loved ones, your pets, whatever you may have. And I will see you guys next time.